6-9, let's fucking go. So in shader number 8, within stolen goods for ransom, if we scroll down here, we're drawing the everything and nothing tiles that draw our graph paper. If the bit is on for our 9x9 tile graphic, we got some variables here, read them, and then this section, white of tile space, white of void space. So this color here is used both for the white pixel of void space and the white pixel of tile space. Down here, void fade. This is going to fade the void, but it's not going to do anything to tile space because this is white and this is also white up here. Okay, down here, we're going to mix those colors together. If we mix the body color with the fade color based on this LOD PEB fade color, we're going to get a fading out of the void. The void is going to fade to black as we zoom out. Then, Ian's bit off. This Ian's bit off section, this is for fading out the tile space grid to white as we zoom out. So we have these variables, you can read them, and then we have whether or not a glass panel is in front of us. We've refactored these from output frag color to GLC, and then here's our tile fade color. So right here, the void is going to stay black as we zoom out, but the tile grid is going to fade to white as we zoom out. And then right here, we're mixing these two things together. So we're going to mix the body color with the fade color based on this LOD PEB fade color. Okay, and then down here is what we did previously, and then we got footnotes and stuff. And if you want a longer explanation of how this works, go here to Ninja Playlist 8. You're on Kanji Playlist 8. Technical demos are here, and source code is here, ways of getting a hold of me. Like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game. It's basically a side-scroller Bomberman MMO on steroids. So if you've heard of Pocket Bomberman, much better than Pocket Bomberman. Like and subscribe if you want to see how to make a game engine from complete scratch, because I am open sourcing it. I'm open sourcing it, and I'm documenting every single line of code. Like and subscribe and follow.